it would have a red light and maybe a sound, and you can call your TV.
It's like a beacon.
Hey remote, where are you? And then it would say, I'm right here under your sofa.
Are you ready?
Yep.
All right, so I have my timer here.
Can I get to my pen and my
Yes,
canvas?
please set up.
I would go and design 2 microwaves. First microwave maybe looks like this. And this microwave, plugs in, has a door, a handle. But the cool thing about the microwave is actually a small microwave that is just there to heat up your cup of coffee. Or maybe you have a microwave that is rather flat, like a pizza box. And that's there to warm up your dinner plate. Maybe it's just a microwave lid. Imagine you put this lid on your coffee mug.
I see. So just kind of creating something for different options.
Well, say you're in your office and you work so hard that your coffee is cold, and then you can put this lid on and it zaps a couple of microwaves in your coffee and heats it up as it's in the cup without you enclosing it. I'm not so sure if this is technically fully sound, but it looks pretty awesome.
That's what matters, the aesthetic.
I think that if I would design a TV remote, it would kind of look like this. It would be more like a stick, and it would have, the wheel wobbles that maybe would look like an upside down lollipop. There would, of course, be a microphone in here where you can just talk to the thing, and then there would be just simple controls. You remember in the olden days when you had to go to a hotel, your hotel key was always kind of connected to this massive brass object so you don't lose it. And I think one of the annoying things when you finally have time to switch on the telly is that your remote is nowhere to be found. Somewhere, put it somewhere, and it's stuck between some pillows. So I wouldn't necessarily design a remote that is rather small, even though I don't think you need much more. You for sure don't need the thing with millions of buttons. Because I think you can talk to your TV and then you can say, well, adjust my brightness. Or maybe you could call it, and then there would be, check this out. Okay, I'm going over time, but it's worth it. It would have a red light and maybe a sound, and you can call your TV.
It's like a beacon.
Hey remote, where are you? And then it would say, I'm right here under your sofa. You spend a lot of time looking for it.
I mean, hey, new controllers are really small and I always lose them, so that would actually be very helpful.
Finding objects is a whole nother problem space, so I would definitely design my remote for this. And maybe you can change channels like this, like a joystick, who knows.
Nice. Your last design challenge is the airplane.
The airplane?
Yes.
Oh.
That one's a bit more challenging.
Oh, yeah. So what I would do, my airplane looks like this. See if I can change my color. So I don't really know what the definition of an airplane is, but what I would do is I would take a drone concept and then have a little cabin where my friend Alejandro can go from, I don't know, let's say from your Brooklyn apartment, and you need to go to your Manhattan office, and then this thing is electric, and it's an e-drone, and there you are sitting in here, and I think small airplanes with short distances can be electric. I wouldn't want to go cut traffic and burn kerosene, so I would design like kind of a personal drone like this that carries me over the skyscrapers of Manhattan. Energy saving. Maybe there's a solar roof. Maybe where this thing is sitting here, there's all kinds of solar panels here that would plug in, and when your day is over, you just hop in and silently go back, enjoy the skyline. That would be like micro airplanes, not long distance, short distance.
Right.
Without clocking up street.
You get bonus points for making it sustainable.
Okay, good. So always important.
And also, I would love to kind of just cut my commute in half and not have to deal with MTA delays.
There you go.
Would be
you should start a company.
Yeah.